Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw a cube in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I draw a cube in this document. At first, you have to go insert menu. Then you can see here a drawing option. Click this drawing, then press plus new. Now you can see here our drawing interface. Now go to shape insert option, then click shapes, then you can see here our cube shape. Just press this cube and press shift on your keyboard, then draw this cube shape. Now I change this cube shape color. Go to fill color option and choose yellow, then press save and close. Now you can see I draw a cube in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.